Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's I'm going to show you how to make money from Wealthy Affiliate and how it works. So if you're interested in that, keep watching and let's dive in. So if you're watching this video, chances are that you've heard about affiliate marketing. If you haven't, affiliate marketing is promoting a product from someone else and then earning a commission per sale, meaning that if you go ahead and sell a product or service for another company, they're gonna pay you a specific fee per sale, which is great. That allows you to not have your own product, but still make money by selling products on the internet or even in real life. However, with Wealthy Affiliate, they're offering you training for affiliate marketing. And they're also allowing you to make money by doing affiliate marketing on their own platform, meaning that you can make money by referring people to Wealthy Affiliate. However, this is not one of these classic schemes, because this is not the only way to make money. If that was the only way to make money with Wealthy Affiliate, so only referring people to Wealthy Affiliate so that they can then refer more people to Wealthy Affiliate. So let's take a look at the platform itself. Now that you know all of that. So this is a platform designed for all affiliate marketers at all levels. So whether you're just getting started, you've got some experience, or you are already successful, Wealthy Affiliate is made for you. So basically, you can get a lot of info on this website. But what I'm just going to do is click on Education, and that's going to take me over here. So Wealthy Affiliate Education. So as you can see, they're offering you training. So you can sign up for a free account using your email. If you go to the homepage on your account, you'll end up right here on the Get Started tab, Learn How to Make Money Online tab, and start the training. So as you can see, if I just click on that button, it's going to take me over to the affiliate marketing training that is going to help me get started. So as you guys can see, they're actually sending you out with a full step-by-step training with a lot of info, a lot of screenshots, real-life examples, and all of that good stuff. So in terms of like what is affiliate marketing and what is Wealthy Affiliate, it is pretty much a training platform or a platform that isn't going to help you get started with affiliate marketing. If you don't want to go out there and watch a ton of YouTube videos, but you just want comprehensive training on a platform like this, which is free, then Wealthy Affiliate might be a good option for you. If you click on the training tab, you'll end up right here and you'll see all these different training sections. We've got Getting Started, which has 13 tasks. You've got Building Your Own Traffic Producing Website. So they're gonna teach you step by step how you can set up your own website with traffic so that you can do affiliate marketing. You've then got Making Money, you've got Mastering Social Engagement, and Achieving Maximum Success through Content Creation. So this right here is not just some random sketchy website where you can make money by referring people. You can see that our step-by-step training included on the platform that are actually free, which is great. So in order to get started, you simply sign up. You can get going now. Apart from that, they're also offering you all of these tools to build your own affiliate marketing website and get going with that. So that is definitely a great thing about the website and definitely not a scam. However, let's show you the part where you can make money by referring other people to Wealthy Affiliate. So if you click on the dollar icon in the top right corner, like in the menu, you'll see this so you can see the affiliate program. Go to Program Details and show you what that looks like and how it works. So as you guys can see, achieve 100 premium referrals from September 1st, 2022 to December 31st, 2022, and you might get an invitation to Las Vegas, which is actually pretty cool. However, if I scroll down, let me show you the structure of this affiliate program. So once again, you can earn money by referring people to the platform Wealthy Affiliate. So Wealthy Affiliate has one of the most exciting affiliate marketing platforms available anywhere online, and you can earn consistent revenue by simply referring others to the community. All right, so you can earn $23.50 premium monthly recurring. So you can earn $235 yearly. The conversion rate is 1 in 8. So over 12% of people go to the premium version. As I said, on a Wealthy Affiliate, you've got the free plan. So you can make people sign up for the free plan. On average, 1 out of 8 people goes to sign up for the premium version, which means that you're then going to get a higher commission. So commissions are $8 for the first month, $19 for special offer, then $23.50. After that, starter members earn $4 for special offers, then $11.75 monthly, and $117.50 yearly. So if you are on the free plan and you then start doing affiliate marketing, you're going to get paid less than if you're paying. So this is actually really good because they're going to teach you affiliate marketing on itself. You can use that to promote Wealthy Affiliate itself, or just put onto anything out there. You can set up your own website. They're going to teach you how to do that. So in terms of the platform itself, it is actually a pretty decent platform. Now, here allow you to calculate how much money you can earn with X amount of referrals. Let's say that you're gonna get 3 referrals per day. And then let's say 12.5% is going to go into a premium user, because that's the average that they stated on the website. And they're going to stay members for, let's see, average, like 4 months. Maybe the monthly income would be $960. Now, if you'd have 5 referrals per day, you would make $1,509. If you had 50 referrals a day, you would have $23,233 if 12% upgrades in 6 months on average. All right. So that shows you that by promoting this, you can indeed make a lot of money. Let me quickly show you some people that are actually making money with this. So we've got Meditix Media right there. We've got Work at Home No Scams. We've got Learn to Make Honest Income Online. All of these people are making videos about Wealthy Affiliate. No, I haven't watched these before, but if I click on them, chances are yes, they've got their own Wealthy Affiliate link in the description. So what they're doing, they're showing you how you can use Wealthy Affiliate. Just like I'm doing right now, I'm explaining the platform, and then what they're doing, they'll leave an affiliate link in the description down below, so that the people, the audience, the people that are watching this case who are interested in signing up can click on the link. It will then take them to a Wealthy Affiliate, and the owner of that YouTube channel each video is then going to make money. That's one of the ways that a lot of people are making money with this. As you guys can see, it's going to take them over to this video by the Offer Kyle, who is pretty much the platform owner, if I'm correct, and people can go ahead and sign up right here. And this person right there, and Meditix Media, is then going to earn a commission. So that is pretty much affiliate marketing with Wealthy Affiliate for Wealthy Affiliate, if that makes sense. Whoever is Wealthy Affiliate is the platform itself. So this platform offers you a free training, a pretty decent training for affiliate marketing. They're going to show you how to set up your website, how to post, and create content for that website. A lot of different stuff, and also gives you the option to promote Wealthy Affiliate itself to earn commissions on the platform. And that is a great way to make money with Wealthy Affiliate. So hopefully this video helped you out, gave you the right info. If it did, please leave a like on the video and subscribe my channel. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.